This brand is made in Canada and is sold through Wolseley Canada, but they have a limited dealer network and their guarantee is not very good when compared to other brands. These heat pumps use microtube technology, which makes for a compact unit, and they use durable scroll compressors. The units only use a wire mesh protection for the condenser coil, which doesn't do much as far as protecting the coil from debris thrown by a lawnmower or from hail. The brand uses basic PSC motors, which are less durable and not as energy efficient as brands that use ECM motor technology. The heat pumps are relatively noisy with sound ratings near 70 decibels, and they use R410A refrigerant, which is not as environmentally friendly as brands that use R32. The BROPH14NB model is a basic single-stage heat pump, while the BROPH16NA is a premium two-stage unit, but the brand does not offer models that qualify for the HvacRepairGuy Ultimate category. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your thoughts and experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and God bless.